Okay, good morning Davao. Atsi, anong tawag dito sa highway nito? Ha? Oops. This is Matina Highway. We're now going to NCCC Mall, one of the local established mall here in Davao. Ayan, ito. Okay, kita nyo na? NCCC Mall. Then after NC is SNR, nasa corner. Okay, itong road nito going to the right is MAA. Yan. Okay, kitang kita na yung SNR dito. Yan, pinakamalaki membership. Then after SNR Allure BPO. Papasok na tayo sa loob. Mag-grocery muna kami ni Achi. Say hello, Achi. Achi.